Good morning, class 10. Today we will discuss next theorem and very important theorem, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem general statement states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. That means this is the hypotenuse because ABC is the right triangle and angle ABC is 90 degree. Then in front of 90 degree, that's mean opposite side of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So AC is hypotenuse and AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So dear students, in triangle ABC, which angle ABC equal to 90 degree, to prove AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, draw the perpendicular BD to AC and prove in a triangle ABD, ADB and ABC. Angle A equal to angle, this triangle ABD has angle A and ABC is also angle A. And angle ADB equal to ABC because all 90 degrees are equal. We already studied in previous class 9 postulates. So therefore, triangle ADB is similar triangle ABC. Angle or similarity. Similarly, if triangle is similar, then all sides are proportional. So AD upon AB equal to AB upon AC. By cross multiplication, AB square equal to AD into AC. Similarly, in triangle BCD and ABC, you have all angle A, angle C equal to angle C common and angle D equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. So triangle is similar and then similar, its corresponding sides are proportional. So DC equal to DC by BC equal to BC by AC. After cross multiplication, DC square equal to DC into AC. First equation and second equation. Add first and second. You have LHS to LHS and RHS to RHS. And now AB square plus BC square equal to AD into AC plus AC into AD. AC is common, so we common AC, then AD plus AC. AD plus BC equal to AC. So AD plus BC we put here AC. AC into AC, AC square. So dear students, this is proved. Now again converge options. State in a triangle the square of the side of equal of sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side of it is right triangle. That's when you have given this value is given, then you prove angle ABC. That's why if you have a triangle given, then AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, then longest side in opposite to the angle is 90 degree. Okay, dear student. Let's some questions of exercise 4D. Dear students, question number 2, exercise 4D. A man goes 80 meters due to east. Here is east, west, north and south. Dear students, a man goes 80 meters due to east. Due to east means that's it. A man goes A to here 0 to 80 meters. And 150 meter due to north and 150 meter due to north. 150 meter due to north. Joining this is 90 degrees, so AC is hypotenuse. How far is from the starting point? So dear guys, AC equal to what? AC equal to AC square equal to AO square plus OC square because this is 90 degree by using Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to under root OA square. OA means 80 meter square. OC means 150 square. Solve this question. After solve this 170 meter answer. Now dear students, the next question is 8. Question number 8. Triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. Right angle at C. Prove that AB equal to 2AC. Dear student, here is the isosceles triangle. Question number 8. ACP, because angle C is 90 degree, so we put here 90 degree. That means AB equal to AC equal to CB, because triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle also. By using Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AC square plus CB square. So dear student, AC equal to CB, so we put AC square, BC equal to AC, then AB square equal to 2AC square root. As it is, you solve all the question answer of exercise 40. Then this chapter 4 is completed, and the next topic, in next video we discuss next chapter. Thank you for watching.